Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today's video we are going to be making a Thanksgiving turkey. I'm also going to be making a dressing and gravy recipe that was my grandmother's, and so I decided I wanted to put this out before Thanksgiving to give everybody an opportunity to see this. Maybe you want to try something new and different this year. Maybe if you just aren't used to cooking, you might want to try your hand at it for the first time. But this is not a very hard recipe. It's very easy and simple to do. It is very time consuming, and that is the main thing. So you definitely want to make sure that you plan ahead and that you get all the ingredients you need. Read the recipe in advance so that you can make sure that anything that you need to prep prior to you have. Also, if you're going to be cooking other vegetables and sides at the same time, you are probably going to be needing the oven for all of these things, and so you do want to plan your time accordingly. You decide that you want to get a frozen turkey. Those are a little bit cheaper, but if you do go that route, you will want to make sure that you put that in your refrigerator at least 2 or 3 days before you plan on cooking it. That way it gives it a chance to thaw out, because you don't want to have a frozen turkey or a turkey that's frozen in the center when you're getting ready to take it out to bake it. Depending on when you want to have your Thanksgiving dinner, you might want to start cooking your turkey at least 5 hours prior to, maybe even earlier than that, depending on how many sides you are making. What we usually do is have our Thanksgiving around lunchtime, so I have gotten up at like 5 o'clock in the morning and put a turkey in the oven. But anyway, I'm going to show you how we do it, and not really going to be doing a lot of talking through this. I will put the ingredients up on the screen, and I will also have the ingredients and everything listed in the description box below. But I am going to play a little bit of Christmas music throughout this video, just because whenever we're cooking for Thanksgiving dinner, it just always makes things a little bit more festive, and just, you know, makes us really into the holiday when we've got some, you know, holiday music and stuff like that playing in the background. Hope y'all enjoy watching this video, and let's go ahead and get started.
It's all around us. Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow. lighting a life with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire, here on our